Hello, I'm back with another video of taking another problem that I encountered with my faucet. Believe it or not, I've had this faucet for 25 years, and it's the first time that I've had a problem with it. I paid, I think, like under $10 for it at Home Depot 25 years ago, and this is the first time it's given me any problem. It's a Delta faucet. The problem is that when you open it up, you can see right here it starts dripping water. That means the seal it's not working properly anymore, and it's leaking water. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that problem. I've already went to Home Depot and bought a replacement kit for it. That cost me $8.27, and now we're going to proceed to go ahead and show you how to put it on and take care of that leak problem. First thing you got to do is make sure you shut off your water. So I'm going to go, give me a minute while I go down here to shut off the cold water. Water is off. And then I'm going to pop this little cap off here. And right there, there's a screw that holds it in place. So I'll take that off. Okay, this comes right off, and you can see all that water in there right there. That shouldn't be there with a proper seal. So that's what the problem is right here. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can remedy that. This screws off right here. I just use a little bit of WD-40 just to make sure it loosens up. It is tight. There we go. It just snapped loose. There we go. It's coming off. Put that off to the side. I'll pull this out. A pair of pliers here. Screwdriver. Here we go. Here it is. It's the old one. We'll put it off to the side. You can see right there, it's got some water in it. The seal is down at the bottom. So let's get to it. And we'll get some toilet paper and put it in here to suck up the water that's in there. There, water's been sucked up, see? We'll get a pair of needle nose pliers. There's the seal right there. Put that off to the side. And then there's the spring in there as well. There it is right there, the spring, the old spring. Put that off to the side. I'll go ahead and take the new one out. Just note that it has a wide end and a narrow end. You're going to put the wide end to sit down inside the seat. I'll take my needle nose pliers, put it back in there. I'll take the new seal, put it right over it, push down on it. Make sure that it's nice and flush. And drain some more of this water out. There you go. You can see the seal now is back in sitting flat where it should be. Now here's a new valve here. Make sure that this part right here is going to sit over that seal you just put in. Also has an O-ring. The leak could be caused by either the O-ring or the seal. It could be a combination of both. So just replace them both and stop the guesswork. You got these fittings right here, and it fits into these notches. Just put it in there and make sure that it fits in. There you go. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of Teflon. To put around the seal. So I'll just give it an extra seal. So, I'll go ahead and put this back in. And tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and snug down to the bottom. Make sure so this pushes down on the seal that we just put in. There it is, nice and snug. Now the surface is opened. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water to see where we're at. Okay. It's a little bit on. There goes, shut off. Go ahead and wipe this water off so I can check it. Open it up. There it is. No more water leaking. No more water up in the surface anymore. Problem solved. Put that back up, close it. Go ahead and put the screw back in. Put the cap back in. Turn it back on. There you go. No more leak. Problem taken care of. And it didn't take very long to do it. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'm out.